This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Scott Wells. Seller will not complete any repairs to the subject property, either lender or buyer requested. The property is sold in as-is condition. This property is eligible under the Freddie Mac First Look Initiative through midnight April 3, 2021 for owner-occupants and midnight April 20, 2021 for investors. FMFL means that seller will not accept or negotiate offers before April 4, 2021 for owner-occupants and April 21, 2021 for investors. 960 square feet rancher sitting on approx 5 acres. Very nice setting with creek. Home needs work. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Wells at 865-687-1111.